Hello viewers, welcome to Happy Streamers. In this video, I'll show you how to stream on YouTube using OBS Studio. First go to Setting, then go to Stream, select YouTube, then use Stream key to connect YouTube. Go to your YouTube account, then select Create. Now click Go Live, select Right Now, Streaming Software. Now copy that stream key. Now go to OBS Studio, select Use Stream key. Now paste that key. Then click Apply. Now go to Output and select bitrate at least 6000 kbps. Now go to Audio, select desktop audio to default, select microphone, then click OK. Now add your sources. Click plus, add audio source, select microphone, then click plus again, then add display source. Select your monitor, then click OK. Now you can start your streaming. When you start your streaming, it will be shown here. That's all. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.